Are you looking for ways to empower your workforce and improve decision-making using the latest AI technologies? Then our new course on Amazon Q, Business Expert, is perfect for you. Amazon Q is like the genie in the bottle for your organization. Just ask it a question and poof, you'll get an insightful, responsible answer backed by all your company's data. No more wasting time searching through files or reinventing the wheel. With Amazon Q Business Expert, your people can focus on being creative instead of repetitive. During our lively and interactive course, we'll pull back the curtain on exactly how to get Amazon Q Business Expert up and running for your team. Through demonstrations and real-world tells, you'll see how simple it is to connect your assistant to all your favorite information sources. We'll also share our top tips for ensuring the magic stays positive with proper guardrails and controls. When 1 hour is up, you'll be able to explain even the grumpiest of bosses exactly how Amazon Q Business Expert will transform your company into a happy, high-performing kingdom of productivity. You'll leave with hands-on experience making the assistant dance to answer questions, analyze files, and more. Don't let your employees spend another day struggling without a helpful magic assistant. Sign up now to learn the secrets behind Amazon Q and see the look of wonder on your people's faces when they try it out. I promise the results will have you saying, "Open sesame" to smarter decisions.